guys, welcome to my YouTube. You can press any button.
Actually,
like
it's my YouTube. He's just playing.
The backyard, and then you can press any plant here.
Can I pick?
Okay. Zombies
Okay.
you want or plants?
I want plants.
What do you want? ISP, where do you want to put it?
On the front.
The zombies will just eat that because it comes to the front.
Then at the back.
Here?
Yeah.
How about lily pads so you can go?
Whoa.
Without lily pads, how are you supposed to go like this? Lily pads, you can put it. So you can put any plant you want.
Wait.
Done.
Can I?
Yes, of course. Torchwood is a fire plant. That one is at the night. If you put a cocoa bean, then it will work. Where's the cocoa bean? This is the cocoa bean. It wakes up plants. Like that.
Why do you put it on the plant?
And then they will wake up. Look.
Oh,
See?
Oh, that one's so great.
It's dandelion. Where do you want that?
I think I'm gonna put it next to the ice one.
Okay. What do you want? This one? The watermelon?
Yeah.
Where do you want to put
In the
it?
middle.
Here?
No, I mean
Here? Now, I can see. Okay, what else? Do you want this?
the zombie.
Okay, what plant do you want? Because the zombies will be here. The F plant?
This one.
Oh, it explodes when zombies are here.
That's so powerful.
Yeah, it explodes like
How about the sunflower?
We don't need sunflower because... Oh my goodness, what's put here? It will explode. Come to me, my evil plant. But this plant, it shoots guns. My evil plan is to destroy the whole wide world.
Which one is your powerful plant?
And the powerful plant, this is the dandelion. It can sneeze when the zombies are too close.
Then why don't put it on the front?
Never mind, I'm gonna blow up the... Oh, Mom, you're so annoying.